Hi, friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So, it is that time of year again. It is cinnamon roll time. The fall for me is just cinnamon rolls, all kinds of just fun goodies. Now, yes, I realize making homemade cinnamon rolls is the best, and I do like to make them, but that's time consuming, and we don't always have time for that. I'm picking my daughter up from the airport tomorrow morning, and I'm not going to get to hang out with my grandkids because I got to go to work, so I'm going to bring them some cinnamon rolls. All right, so I have my pan. I'm going to use the big grand cinnamon rolls. You can use whichever ones you want. Now, I like to start with, I do 5 small little pads of butter because I know there's 5 cinnamon rolls in there. So I put them in the bottom of the pan. And now when I open my cinnamon rolls, I want to put it so that the middle part of the cinnamon roll is on top of each pad of butter. So I'm going to open my cinnamon rolls, set aside the frosting that comes with it because we are going to make that frosting even better. Even better. So as I open these, I'm going to put my cinnamon rolls in, and then when this is all done, you're going to cook it per package direction. So for these, it's at 350 for 23 to 27 minutes. So put in your cinnamon rolls, and then after I put my cinnamon rolls in, I am going to do heavy cream. So I do not measure the heavy cream. I just put it in. I like to put a splash on top of each cinnamon roll, and then I fill the bottom of the pan to where it's got a shallow amount that covers the bottom of the pan, but not too heavy, just barely, just basically just covering the bottom of the pan. I also top each cinnamon roll with another tiny little piece of butter. And again, I like that to be right in the center of each piece. And then once I get these done, I'm going to pop them in the oven, and then we'll work on our frosting. So the frosting that comes with these, it's very sweet. It's got a good taste, but it's very, very sweet, and it's also very thick, and you don't get a whole lot of it. So for our frosting, we are going to be using yogurt. So I like using Greek yogurt. This is the vanilla bean Siggi's is what I use. It's got 18 grams of protein per serving, and I like it a lot. Now, the container that I am going to use to mix it is a little small. I'm sorry for that. I wanted something glass that you guys could see what I was doing. Now, I know I'm going a little faster than what I'm working, but I feel like you can see it and understand what I'm doing. So, anyways, for the frosting, so I am going to use the yogurt. I just have to stir it up first because it is a brand new carton. So yogurt, a nice big, huge heaping spoonful. I don't measure it, but it's basically 1 for 1. You could go a little heavier on the yogurt than the icing if you want to. It's going to have a great taste, and it's going to be a really nice consistency. So I take the yogurt, and then I mix in the frosting with it. I whisk it up really, really good. You know, that frosting is a little hard, especially when it's cold. So it, might take a little minute, but no big deal. And once you whisk it up, it is a beautiful pouring consistency. And let me tell you, this frosting, doing it like this, it tastes so much better. It is so good. You are going to love these. These are fantastic. And then we're going to let our cinnamon rolls cook and then come back as soon as they are completed. Okay, so first of all, I need to acknowledge how amazing my house smells right now. It smells absolutely delicious. So here are our cinnamon rolls. They're done. We are going to just cover them with this beautiful frosting. You see how easy that pours? So good. I already ate one. It's so good. We'll pour it. I'll show you what they all look like once the frosting is all poured on it. I have to give these things away because otherwise I would eat the whole pan, when really one is more than I should have. But I did share it with my dog, so there's that. All right. So let's pull one out and see how yummy it looks. So good. Get a fork. And listen, down there in the bottom of the pan, the butter that's gotten a little crispy mixing with the frosting. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I gotta dip my little piece in it. It's so good. These are just delicious, and this frosting is just so fantastic. So anyways, I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day.